On number 3, we're graphing the parametric equations and then also finding the equivalent rectangular form. So x of t is going to be e to the t, y of t is going to be e to the negative t. And for my window, I want my t min to be 0 and my t max to be just something big. So I'll pick 100, but you could pick something else. And I'll make my x min -5, my x max 5, my y min -5, my y max 5. And my graph is going to look like this. So I know it's going to stop there, and I know it's going to continue in that direction. Okay, so I want to convert it, and there's different ways that you could do this. I'm going to look at the y equation first. So y is equal to e to the negative t. Well, if I get rid of the negative exponent, y is equal to 1 over e to the t. And this is a really tricky step here, because I'm trying to convert it to rectangular, which means I don't want any t's. I just want x's and y's. If you look at this equation, I know that x is equal to e to the t. So if x is equal to e to the t, then that really means that anywhere I see an e to the t, I can just replace it with x. And right here I see an e to the t. So if I replace that, this is 1 over x. And that'll be my final answer. So it's kind of tricky.